So hi buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can fix this issue. So you see this, whenever I try to put a link in my video description, you see this error is there. To make external links clickable, first complete one time verification. So I'm gonna give you the solution of this problem. It's like in very easy way, and you can just do this thing in just couple of minutes and your problem will be solved. So for this we need to verify our channel. It's like there are a lot of methods. You see this, these are the methods through which we can verify it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna verify my YouTube channel with this. It's easy because if you just record a video of yourself of 6 seconds and put it in the YouTube, then it will be like it will take around 8 to 12 hours, and sometimes it take less than it also, and your channel will be verified. So you said this is there. So for this I'm in my PC, so I have to switch to my phone for this, to record a video of myself and send it to YouTube so that they can verify this thing. So I will take you to my phone screen. So I will tell you this process. You see this, I'm in my smartphone screen. Click here. Now you see this, agree to video verification. Click here. Now you see this. Now here you have to do your video verification. Now after it will take around like sometimes it takes less than 2 hours. Sometimes it takes like 8 hours or 12 hours also. It depends, like it vary user to user. So you have to verify your video here, and after it your work will be done. It will take some time, and after it this verification will be done. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you.